So guys, today our topic is English proverb. So English proverb, what is proverb? Sunita ji, what is proverb? What do you think that? So English proverb, a short, well-known pithy saying, stating a general truth or piece of advice. You can see there is one word, important word, pithy, P-I-T-H-Y. Pithy. एक चीज दिमाग में रखिएगा, ये जो हमारा सीरीज है, ये जो हमारा फेज है, इसमें हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं न्यू वोकैबुलरी की बात कर रहे हैं. एंड टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज प्रोवर्ब. अब इसका मतलब नहीं कि सिर्फ फोकस प्रोवर्ब में ही है. आज पूरे सेशन में हम कोई भी नया वर्ड सीखेंगे दैट विल बी एडेड इन आवर वोकैब collections. So the word we have got pithy. What is the meaning of pithy? Devashish?
Don't know, sir.
Anyone? Kumari Sakshi? Sunita ji?
No, sir.
Okay. Pithy is a language which is very clear. A language which can be understood very easily. So it's a and normally what happens, these proverbs, they are used to state the general truth. कुछ सच्चाई के बारे में बात होता है जब हम proverbs के बारे में बात करते हैं. कुछ सच्चाई हो या piece of advice हो. So ये जो proverbs होते हैं, ये हम लोग तब यूज कर सकते हैं जब हम कोई सच्चाई की बात करें या कोई piece of advice की बात करें. Okay? So
जो वर्क करता हो सर रियली में.
क्या बोली सुनीता जी?
सर जो वर्क करता हो रियली में.
Definitely जो रियली में वर्क करता हो, एक एडवाइस. So these proverbs are just like an advice only. You can consider that. Proverbs surround us every day, whether at work, school, church, or during a conversation with a friend. So if we know proverbs, we can use it anytime we need. These are very much useful. ये बहुत यूजफुल होते हैं. और आप जब अपने नॉर्मल कन्वर्सेशन में आप जब इसको ऐड करोगे, आपका जो सेंटेंस है उसका वैल्यू और बढ़ जाएगा. द वैल्यू ऑफ योर सेंटेंस गो मोर एंड पीपल विल ऑल्सो अप्रिशिएट. Most common role that a proverb plays is to educate. Of course, this is related to giving advices, some general truths. So it's basically to educate people. ये जो proverbs होते हैं, these are used to educate. Proverbs which cannot be challenged, such as honesty is the best policy. These are the proverbs. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness. These are universal proverbs. These are kind of an advice also. Honesty is the best policy. हम लोग बहुत लोग यूज करते हैं ये सेंटेंस बचपन से लेकर आज तक. कुछ शायद हमारे टीचर्स ने हमें बताया, कुछ हमारे घर से हमें पता चला, हमारे फैमिली के लोग हमें सिखाए. So these are very much useful. Our elders also sometimes find proverbs to make us explain something, and it has a great impact on our minds. ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सी बात है. आई डोंट नो ऐसा आप लोगों के साथ होता है कि नहीं. मतलब ऐसे प्रोवर्ब्स हैं जो हिंदी में हो, अपने रीजनल लैंग्वेज में हो. ऐसा देखा गया कि पुराने लोग जो आज मतलब बहुत पुराने हैं, मतलब जो अभी थोड़े ओल्ड हैं, जो दादाजी दादी जी लोग प्रोवर्ब्स बहुत यूज करती थी. एक टाइम पे बहुत यूज किया जाता था. अभी न्यू जनरेशन में भी ये होता है, लेकिन मैं बात कर रहा हूँ रीजनल प्रोवर्ब्स की. So सोनी जी, सुनीता जी, कंफ्यूजिंग है,
ये
अभी दो नाम एक साथ चल रहा है। ऐसा कोई प्रोवर्ब जो हिंदी में आप यूज करती हो?
प्रोवर्ब
प्रोवर्ब हिंदी में या बंगाली में?
बंगाली तो मुझे उतना नॉलेज नहीं है सर।
नहीं, दैट इज फाइन। यहाँ पे बंगाली एंड हिंदी बोलने वाले
या
हैं, इसके
हिंदी।
लिए मैं उनसे ज्यादा पूछ रहा हूँ। देवाशीष, एनी आइडिया?
সে তো অনেক কিছু এখন মনে পড়ছে না, যখন কথা বলা হয় তখন এসে যায়।
सर ऐसा होता है ना, वो हम लोग वर्ड यूज करते हैं सर, ये नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा, इस टाइप
यस
का।
यस यस
Yes, नाच ना जाने आंगन टेढ़ा. So this is also a proverb in English. Sorry, in Hindi. In Bengali also we speak that.
নাচতে না জানলে উঠুন বেটা।
Right. Basically, we use these.
No, just now she
various-
said no. If somebody says this, it comes. But
Yeah. But if we know this in English, it will help you. It will help you a
Yeah.
lot.
या
हो सकता है आप एक बहुत बड़ा सेंटेंस बोल रहे हैं, उसी सेंटेंस को आप अगर शॉर्ट में बोलना चाहते हैं तो कोई फ्रेज को आप यूज करके सेंटेंस और इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड हो जाएगा वो। इट विल नॉट बी सो कंफ्यूजिंग। अभिषेक, समझ में आ रहा है आपको? तो अभिषेक, कोई प्रोवर्ब्स आपके आपके मुंह से अगर आपको बोलना हो तो, एनी प्रोवर्ब जो आपको याद आ रहा हो?
जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी।
जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी। ओके ओके, लेट्स सी। जो कि यहाँ पे कुछ लोग को बंगाली पता है, कुछ लोगों को हिंदी पता है, तो एक बंगाली में एक देखते हैं।
ये हिंदी में भी है सर, बंदर के जाने अदरक का स्वाद।
बंदर क्या जाने अदरक का स्वाद। in Bengali it is written नाचते ना जान ले ऊँटों बैका।
वही जो बोले ना अभी, नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा,
हाँ।
वही है।
बंदर और अदरक। So like that guys, these proverbs are very useful और लोगों को ना सुनने में भी अच्छा लगता है ये सब proverbs।
यस
और इंग्लिश में होगा तो it will be more impactful. We may sometimes not understand a big lecture, but we understand a small proverb very easily. हो सकता है एक बड़ा कोई लेक्चर हमें समझ में ना आए, लेकिन छोटे छोटे प्रोवर्ब्स कभी कभी हम समझ में हमें आ जाता है। This is very interesting thing, They will keep on shedding light to warn us against pitfalls and will show us the correct way. कहीं ना कहीं ये जो प्रोवर्ब्स है ना, ये लोगों को एजुकेट करते हैं और उनको बचाते हैं ताकि वो गिर ना जाए। अगर आप अच्छे से सारे प्रोवर्ब्स को अच्छे से देखोगे, वो कहीं ना कहीं these proverbs are giving some lights to warn us against pitfalls and will show us the correct way. So all these proverbs are made to educate, to save ourselves. बहुत लोग बहुत छोटी छोटी गलतियां हम करते हैं और हो सकता है ये प्रोवर्ब्स को अगर हम लोग अपने लाइफ में इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे, दो चीजें होंगी, हमारी इंग्लिश भी बेटर होंगी और हम किसी गलती से अपने आप को निकाल पाएंगे। So guys, I think we are very close to start. Generally using them in a best possible way will make you feel more confident than others speaking normal language. So कहीं पे भी आप अगर प्रोवर्ब का इस्तेमाल करोगे, you will feel yourself very confident. If some, it's not about only language. When you speak proverbs, it sounds like जैसे हिंदी में भी है, मैं कुछ अगर बोलने जाऊंगा और वहां पे एक शेरो शायरी के तरह मैं अगर कोई हिंदी लाइन को बोलूंगा, सबको अच्छा लगेगा। वैसे ही जब आप इंग्लिश में भी बात करोगे, इफ यू जस्ट add some rhythm, add some theme to a particular sentence, लोगों को समझ में भी आता है और लोगों को आपकी इंग्लिश को और भी आप लोगों को बता सकते हो कि योर इंग्लिश इज really good. Proverb will survive for many years to come. ये बहुत दिन तक survive करेगा because these are really very effective. So guys, let's begin today's proverbs and we will make it more impactful and more practical. So पहले मैं आपको एक proverbs दिखाऊंगा और आपको मैं सोचने आपको मैं बोलूंगा कि थोड़ा सोचिए उस proverb पे और उस पिक्चर को अच्छे से देखिए ताकि आपको समझ में आए कि ये proverbs क्या कहना चाहता है. एक चीज मैं बोलूंगा कि जब क्लास चल रहा हो तो अपने से गूगल मत खोलिएगा देखने के लिए. हम लोग यहीं पे सीखेंगे, यहीं पे देखेंगे, उसमें अंडरस्टैंडिंग बेटर रहेगी. ओके, सो हियर कम्स द फर्स्ट वन. Let bygones be bygones. Allow the unpleasant things that have happened in the past to be forgotten. जो भी चीज है जो हमें पसंद नहीं है अपने पास्ट से रिलेटेड, उसे भूल जाना चाहिए. So जब हम इसको अपने जनरल सेंटेंस में बोलेंगे.
I don't
Now
want to.
look forward.
Just a minute. Yeah, Devashish.
Let bygones be bygones. Now let's look forward.
Very good. Very nice. You make it easy sentence. Yeah, Shivangi, you were telling. Your voice is not coming.
Repeat our no. I mean, I think we should stop here right now and let's bygone be bygone.
Yeah. याद कीजिए आपके लाइफ में ऐसा क्या घट रहा है, किसके साथ घट रहा है जिसको भूल जाना ही आपके लिए सही है. रियल लाइफ के बारे में सोचिए, देखिएगा सेंटेंस अपने आप निकल रहा है. और आज ही उस इंसान को मैसेज करे, लेट बायगॉन्स बी बायगॉन्स. देखिए, इसे बोलता है प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन. ओके, इफ वी डोंट यूज इट देन वी विल फॉरगेट.
Yes.
ओके, जिसको आप भेजोगे अगर उसको पता होगा तो ठीक है, नहीं तो वो भी सोचेगा अचानक से व्हाट इज दिस मैसेज. या साक्षी, विल यू ट्राई?
We should start some new things. Let bygones be bygones.
Okay, very good. Yeah, Rishita?
Let bygones be bygones. I will not overreact from today.
Oh my god, very good. Okay, let's see. So there are some sentences. These are some demo sentences. Your own original sentences are more effective than these sentences. Always remember this. These are just example. They decided to let bygones be bygones and made peace with each other. You can write if you want. Anyway, I'll send you the the PPTs. So,
PDF.
yeah. If suppose I anytime forget to send the PDF, मेरे को थोड़ा knock कर दीजिएगा, मैं भेज दूंगा आपको. Though your first attempt was failure, you would do well to let bygones be bygones and move ahead in your endeavor. जो भी हुआ हो गया यार. पास्ट में आप सिक्योर नहीं कर पाए, पास्ट चला गया. Now you should think about your present. So just go ahead. Let bygones be bygones.
Let's start the again new life journey.
Yes. Whatever the problem we have, Sunita ji,
Yes. Sir.
let's bygones be bygones. And let's forgive each other.
I forgive me, sir. मैं बोलने वाली थी, बस बाद वाला sentence में बोली.
नहीं, कोई बात नहीं.
Let
We are all
bygones
fine.
be bygones. So let's start the again new life journey.
Yes, very good. ये
So-
easy सुनने में भी अच्छा आ रहा है. हाँ, yes.
So what is the meaning of endeavor? The last one?
Endeavor is
Endeavor.
basically a very big. Normally endeavor को हम लोग use करते हैं. Future endeavor. एक endeavor को हम लोग use करते हैं. Even something which is very a pleasant journey, a pleasant time, एक span. इसको आप बोल सकते हो endeavor. We use endeavor. हम लोग future endeavor भी बोलते हैं कभी-कभी इसको.
So utmost endeavor will be made from my part to satisfy you.
Okay.
Here the word endeavor means prochesta in this sentence.
Right. Okay, let's move ahead. Any doubt or any question if you have, then you can ask. Otherwise, we are going ahead. Fine.
No, sir.
Yes, this is very nice one. Let sleeping dogs lie. Let sleeping dogs lie. Okay. क्या लग रहा है शिवांगी? Let sleeping dogs lie.
It's very difficult.
Yes.
Sleeping
सोनी जी?
able to relate.
अगर इसका मीनिंग निकाला जाए सर तो अजीब सा है, लेकिन उसका मतलब नहीं पता
Hey,
मुझे
you
क्या
have to
होगा।
understand the meaning. You have to see the picture also. Try to understand the sentence. Rishita, what do you expect this to be?
कुछ सोते हुए को छेड़ना वैसा टाइप का कुछ होगा।
सोते हुए को छेड़ना. You are very close, very close, very close, very close. Shujoy, are you listening?
Yes, I am listening.
Because I can't see you, so I'm not understanding whether you're there or not. So, yeah. What happened, Devashish? Any idea?
सोते हुए को लड्डू देना।
समझ में तो आ रहा है, लेकिन सेंटेंस के साथ रिलेट करना, दैट इज द थिंग।
नहीं, मैं सेंटेंस नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. You can. What do you think about the meaning?
वो कुंभकर्ण का मीन्स हो रहा है जो स्लीपिंग डॉग्स लाइक, मतलब जो मतलब द फेरोशियस, लेट्स नॉट छेड़, मतलब क्या बोले, छेड़ना नहीं चाहिए। जो कोई अगर पावरफुल है उसको अगर सो रहा है तो उसको सोने दो, छेड़खानी मत करो किससे, लाइक दिस।
Okay. Yeah, Dipanshi, any idea on this?
सोते हुए को मत जगाओ।
Ignore the difficult task.
Yeah, Dipanshi?
Ignore the difficult tasks. No, not the difficult tasks. Ignore the problems.
Okay. See the meaning, the real meaning.
And just try to fix it.
To leave things as they are, especially to avoid restarting or rekindling an old argument, to leave disagreements in the past. To leave things as they are, especially to avoid restarting or rekindling an old argument, or to leave disagreements in the past. In Hindi, if I say, कभी-कभी कुछ ऐसे डिसएग्रीमेंट्स होते हैं या कुछ बातें ऐसी होती हैं जिसको बार-बार सबके सामने नहीं दोहराना चाहिए. हो सकता है कोई ऐसी बात हो जिसको लेके ऑलरेडी लास्ट टाइम झगड़ा हो, नोक-झोंक हुई होगी उस बात पे. फिर हम जब बात कर रहे हैं उसी बात को फिर से वहां पे ला रहे हैं, वो नहीं करना चाहिए. बोलते हैं ना कभी-कभी जले हुए पे नमक छिड़ना, काइंड ऑफ. ये वो नहीं है. ये बोल रहा है कि ऑलरेडी वो चीज जला हुआ है, उसको बार-बार उसको पोक नहीं करना है. जिस चीज को लेके वो रोती है, जिस चीज को लेके वो झगड़ती है, उसको उस चीज के बारे में हम बात नहीं करेंगे. Will not restarting or rekindling an old argument. आखिरी बार उस आर्ग्यूमेंट पे काफी बातें हुई थी और काफी झगड़ा हुआ था, डिसएग्रीमेंट हुआ था. उसको लेके हम बार-बार सामने वाले को नहीं बोलेंगे. तो let the sleeping dogs lie. उसको सोने दो.
That's meaning in हिंदी सर की मतलब जो जख्मी जो शेर होता है उस पे हमला नहीं करना चाहिए, तो वो ज्यादा इफेक्टिव होता है.
आप यूज कर सकते हो, ये वहां पे भी आप इसको अच्छे से यूज कर सकते हो. यस शिवांगी.
सर बोला जाता है ना कि जख्म को फिर से नहीं उधेड़ना या काइंड ऑफ समथिंग.
हाँ, you know,
है ना, उस टाइप का कुछ लग रहा है.
yes. जख्म में नमक.
नमक
जख्म को कुरेदना नहीं चाहिए.
कुरेदना नहीं चाहिए.
ज्यादा पेनफुल होता है वो.
Absolutely right. So अब आप लोग भी बोल दिए, अब इंग्लिश में आप सेंटेंस में इसको कैसे यूज करोगे?
बहुत डिफिकल्ट है.
Please don't play with my scars are still green, so let sleeping dogs lie.
Again repeat.
My scars are still green, so let sleeping dogs lie.
Okay. My scars. Okay. Yes, absolutely right. और कोई कुछ ऐड करें? एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं फॉर we decided to let sleeping dogs lie and not take them to court. कोई मैटर है जिसको कोर्ट में अभी तक नहीं लिया गया है तो उस बारे में ज्यादा बात मत करो, नहीं तो अल्टीमेटली उसको कोर्ट में ले जाना पड़ेगा, काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन है. तो वहां पे हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं कि हे वी डिसाइडेड टू लेट स्लीपिंग डॉग्स लाई, नॉट टेक देम टू कोर्ट. यहीं का यहीं पे सही करते हैं, यहीं पे उसको कंप्लीट करते हैं, उसको आगे नहीं ले जाएंगे. यस, yeah, Devashish, one sentence from you if you want to.
I say one sentence.
Yeah, Shuja, please go ahead.
China behave like to let sleeping dog to Indian soldiers. This is a very
To prepare.
Yes. By the time I'll take care of your entertainment.
सर एक बार फिर से स्लाइड दिखाइए तो मेरा नेटवर्क
Okay, I'll show you the slide.
ओके सर.
This is one slide. Let sleeping dogs lie.
Shall I start?
Yeah, please go ahead.
First of all, good evening, everyone, and good evening, sir.
Good evening.
The pillar of any relationship depends upon some emotional traits, and forgiveness is one of them. It is natural to have some arguments with any situation, but we should develop the habits among us to let bygones and be bygones each other with every coming morning. In fact, both we should mutually decide to let the sleeping dogs lie, so that the internal strength of our relationship cannot hamper anymore with any difficulties or any difficult situation. Thank you.
But you spoke very well. Very well. You have designed it. You could have spoken more on that. Always remember, whenever you speak on those proverbs, your speed of your talk will go reduce, because people have to understand what you are saying. So your flow will change when you will use those proverbs. आपका जो flow होगा वो थोड़ा सा change होगा, so that लोगों के कान में वो आए. But the talk was very good. Small talk, pep talk. Yes.
Our life. Just chill and let bygones be bygones.
Oh wow, very nice. Very
If
good.
we forgive for someone, this is the most beautiful thing of our life. I decided to forgive you and let sleeping dog like and not them guilty. I always try to just.
Good evening, everyone. My topic is forgiveness. Yes, forgiveness, forgiving to anyone is a useful thing, and every human should have that ability to forgive everyone. Yes, past has given so many things to learn, and I got to learn a lot of things. And I was fortunate that I came out of that situation when no one was there to help me out from that situation. I have given a lot of efforts, and I had made that ability to perform good in any kind of relationship. I have forgave past, dear past. I forgave you for the things happened in the past. let's bygone be bygone. The things have not going easy, and I was bashing myself that I had done something wrong. So let's sleeping dog lies. Everything happens for a reason. Thank you.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Awesome. Lovely.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So these are very important. Yes. Abhishek, have you made it?
Everyone. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Forgiveness is a key of success. I had many mistakes in my past, but let bygones be gone. Let's to start new journey in 2 days. I am sitting here with my past, but I work in myself, and so don't let sleeping dogs lie. I forgive in my own mistakes and let the right and effort in my success.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Very good.
Sir, am I audible to you all?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. My today's topic is forgiveness. Forgiveness, it's a fruit that we can eat and we can give to others to spread happiness. And the sweetness of the fruit can spread a good and a happy relationship with others. Forgiveness is the attribute that can done by only the strongest heart people, because the weakest person can only take it as long as he or she can. We should let bygones be bygones, because taking the past with our future is not good for us, even not for others. Please make your future, make your present as pleasant as you can, because let sleeping dogs lie, because the bad memories of the past can give you harm as well as the people who are living with you. It can make the relationship salty. It will not help us to make good relationship with others. Even according to Mahatma Gandhi, forgiveness is the attribute that can lead by the strongest.
So, respected sir, and my dear friends, wish all of you a rainy evening. So, forgiveness. It's a huge word. It sounds very short, but it carries a huge responsibility also. Forgiveness is our own growth and own happiness. Forgiveness is self-power. It adds a great volume of responsibility. You know, forgiveness frees us to live in present, our anger, our regret. Forgiveness is the action or process of forgiving or being forgiven. When anybody does anything wrong to me, I always try to say to own self, let it bygone be bygone. Let's not argue anymore. Most important is we should let the sleeping dogs lie. Otherwise, the situation may get more worse. It may go out of control. So, we should forgive others, and we should remember the person who forgives is the great. Thank you.
Wow, very good, very nice. I think one of your best talk with the best, proverbs used.
Many people forget the word forgiveness. Yes, my dear friend, try to get forgiveness everyone and spread happy to every place. And try to make let begins be begins with each other, and try to not repeat in our future. And don't try to let sleeping dogs lie, which we can see in our past. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Very good. You tried your level best. वो लास्ट वाला जो प्रोवर्ब आपने यूज किया, मुझे लगा कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा अंडरस्टैंडिंग, वो लास्ट वाला लेट स्लीपिंग डॉग्स लाई को कैसे यूज किया आपने?
Don't try to let sleeping dogs lie.
Okay, now we are going to see a new one. Joy and sorrow sleep in the same bed. Joy and sorrow sleep in the same bed. साक्षी बताएगी इसका मतलब. या साक्षी.
खुशी और गम दोनों साथ
Try
में
to-
ही आते हैं.
Absolutely. Try to speak in English.
Oh, sorry sir.
Can you make any sentence, Sakshi?
Happy and yes, sir.
Any sentence can you make with this if you have got the meaning? Okay, I'll come to you. You just think on it. I'll come to you. Rishita?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So it basically means that joy and sorrow both are the two sides of any coin. If one appears today, the next will somehow appear in near future. So we should not we should not leave our hope to not getting the best thing from our future. So we should try our best and accept the situation how they are.
Yes, absolutely. Very good, Rishita. Yeah, Shivangi, will you try? Yo, please unmute.
So life is all about ups and downs, where we used to get sorrows also, joy also. So we have to accept and we have to be flexible in all those situations.
Absolutely. Yeah, Sunita ji,
Yes sir.
are you understanding the meaning?
Yes sir. मैं हिंदी से बोलना चाहूँ.
हाँ.
हिंदी से बोलूँ सर.
हाँ, बोलिए ना.
सर ये मतलब लाइफ एक है लेकिन उसके दो पहलू हैं. कभी सुख कभी दुख, कभी हैप्पीनेस कभी अप्स एंड डाउन होते रहते हैं. तो लाइफ में तो बहुत कुछ पॉसिबल हो सकता है.
Absolutely. Yeah, Devashi, will you try speaking any sentence?
If just I'm trying, okay.
Okay.
If today is not your day, then don't lose hope. Tomorrow will be yours. So always remember, joy and sorrow sleep in the same bed.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, somehow, as I said, these proverbs are made to educate people. So you see, whenever you try to give advice and all, you use these kind of sentences. Yes, Sakshi, have you prepared? Yeah, please.
Joy and sorrow all are main kind of life. If we have a sorrow, don't lose your hopes, because happiness will always come in your life.
Okay, thank you. But you have not used this proverb. मैं सोच रहा था थोड़ा सा आप use करोगे proverb को. They are at the same bed. Yeah, Dipanshi.
Today, maybe I'm suffering from sorrow, but next day maybe my good day will come. So joy and sorrow is not sleep in the same bed.
Not sleep in the same bed.
Sleep in the same.
Sleep in the same bed. Sorry.
Yeah, they sleep in the same bed.
Same bed.
Yes, absolutely. So the meaning comes here is life is a mixture of joy and sorrow. Life is a mixture of joy and sorrow, and you know, it's always important that we should always live happy, and when we are sad, we should not, you know, we should be honest to our emotion.
But sir,
yeah.
One example, it is a coin. Coin is a head and tail. Both sides is important.
Yes,
so
absolutely.
I think this is a
Absolutely,
right example.
you're right.
Yes.
You
They
are
are important.
सिक्के का दो पहलू.
हाँ, सिक्के का दो पहलू होता है. हेड एंड टेल वो दोनों ही मिक्स होके ही वो सिक्का बनता है. एक के बिना नहीं हो सकता. तो हमें भूलना नहीं चाहिए.
Life is not always tough. Joy and sorrow sleep in the same bed. Don't feel bad. Believe in God. Joy and sorrow sleep in the same bed.
Yeah, this is correct.
Why are you thinking always negative? Don't you know joy and sorrow sleep in the same bed? You can, these are very sentences which is very easily made. So
I tell something.
yeah, Sujoy.
We should not depress. Joy and sorrow sleep in same bed. After sorrow, joy will come.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Very
should
good,
not
very
depress
good.
sorrow.
These advice are for those people who become very sad sometimes. Sometimes Rishita loses
For
her
me, sir.
patience. Sometimes she
Even
becomes
though
very
I know
sad.
these things, sir, even though,
Yeah?
sir, I know these things, but even though I know these things, this
Okay.
proverb very well, but then also I get depressed by the situation. But I'm trying.
But there is a reason why you are not able to motivate yourself when you are depressed, and I think this
सावधानी हटी तो दुर्घटना घटी.
वही same thing.
सावधानी हटी तो दुर्घटना घटी.
ट्रक से ट्रक के पीछे लिखा हुआ रहता है. मैं
हाँ,
जानती
but
ट्रक
absolutely.
के पीछे ऐसे बुरे नजर वाले तेरा मुंह काला.
बुरे नजर वाले तेरा मुंह काला.
What are you talking about? Whatever you are getting, you're just speaking.
सर हमको ट्रक के पीछे लिखा हुआ मिलता है, इसीलिए
आप लोग रास्ते में ट्रक देखते हो, ट्रक जिसको देखोगे फिर वही मिलेगा आपको. ट्रक को मत देखा करो ज्यादा ना.
Restless feet may walk in the snake feet.
ट्रक के पीछे सर हॉर्न प्लीज भी लिखा होता है.
Restless feet may walk into a snake pit. Yeah, Devashish, what do you get it?
I think, sir, if we work a lot, we may get tired. We should. I don't know the exact meaning of this. I'm just trying.
No, it's okay,
we may get tired. So rest is also required. Otherwise, we can our deeds maybe go wrong. Our deeds, whatever deeds we are doing, it may go wrong. So restless feet may walk into a snake feet. If we rest ourselves, then we can work properly.
Okay. Anyone? Dipanshi?
We can easily get into a trouble if we are busy in somewhere, because it is restless feet. Matlab, if we can caught by any trouble if we are walking into some if we are busy in somewhere.
Somewhere means where? If you are
In a wrong
busy
thing.
if you are busy in doing
Wrong
not
thing.
so important thing,
Not so.
or a wrong thing, it is
Yeah.
easy for a person to get into trouble when he or she is not busy doing something very important. I would rather place here. कुछ लोग होते हैं जो समय को ठीक से यूज नहीं करते, जो नहीं करना चाहिए वही करते हैं. So when some people they are busy doing unimportant things, जो important नहीं है, यहाँ पे उसको ऐसे बोला गया रेस्टलेस फीट. मतलब वो कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर रहा है उसको कि एक तरफ उसको जाना है, उसको एक दिशा में जाना है, मतलब करियर हो या कोई भी डिसीजन लेने में. सो वो भटका हुआ है.
हिंदी मीनिंग रेस्टलेस फीट में वॉकिंग.
आप हर समय हर एक वर्ड का मीनिंग निकाल के आप सही मीनिंग पे नहीं पहुंचोगे.
नहीं मतलब कि इसका कोई हिंदी
यहाँ
मुहावरा
जो
भी
मीनिंग है जिसका कोई दिशा नहीं है, जो भटका हुआ है, ओके, जिसको पता नहीं कि उसको आगे कहाँ जाना है. रेस्टलेस, कभी इस तरफ जा रहा है, कभी इस तरफ जा रहा है, ये करना है, ये करना है, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, बट उसको जो करना चाहिए दैट पर्सन इज नॉट डूइंग इट.
हिंदी में है ना, और अब क्या होगा जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत.
अब क्या होगा जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत. ओके, बट यहाँ पे
पछताने से क्या फायदा, अब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत.
हाँ.
So यहाँ पे मीनिंग है रेस्टलेस फीट may walk into a snake pit. मतलब we can come into a trouble if we always focus, if we are not focused and moving here and there. We should have that monomaniacal focus. हमें focus के साथ आगे बढ़ना है, नहीं तो हम आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएंगे और गलत दिशा में चले जाएंगे.
This is quite tough one.
You may be enjoying your life, but never forget restless feet may walk into a snake feet. Okay, snake pit. Restless feet may walk into a snake pit. So start prioritizing your daily work. अच्छा, your होगा यहाँ पे. Your daily work as soon as possible. It's important to make him understand at this early age. Okay, it's important to make him understand at this early age only that, you know, restless feet may walk into a snake pit. यहाँ पे just a minute. So start prioritizing your daily work as soon as possible. It's important to make him understand at this early age. Okay, something from your end. Anyone? Do you have
Please,
any? Yeah, Dipanshi.
Please listen to me very carefully. Otherwise, restless feet may walk into a snake pit.
Okay. Okay. Here only for listening. Listening थोड़ा सा मेरे को लग रहा है छोटा. Sentence is right, but मुझे लगा सिर्फ listening को दिमाग में रखते हुए हम इसको नहीं बना के थोड़ा सा और broader और एक बड़ा reason देंगे तो better होगा. यार इशिता, what do you think?
So it is do whatever you like, but don't forget your primary work. As you know, restless feet may walk into a snake pit.
Okay.
Sir, if we do not focus on our exam preparation, then restless feet may walk into a snake pit.
Okay. Good.
Sir,
When
I
you are
think
planning,
एक मिनट, just a minute. Let Shivangi do it, then we'll come to Devashish. Yes, Shivangi.
parents should be more concerned to their teenage children, as they have the more options to get involved in the restless feet may walk into a snake pit.
Okay. Okay, fine. थोड़ा सा और सजा के, you know, it's all about decorating the sentence.
ये शॉर्ट है, छोटा सा वर्ड है, सेंटेंस है, लेकिन प्लीज डू योर वर्क वेरी केयरफुली.
Okay.
उसके बाद क्या होगा सर? बट होगा क्या?
जो मेन हो हीरो है उसको नहीं लाया.
Feet may walk into snake pit.
Absolutely. See, all your sentences are correct. I think we need more decorative one. Devashish, have you decorated your sentence?
when we plan our career, we should always keep in our mind that restless feet may walk into a snake pit.
Okay. Shuja, you want to speak?
Let fix your target specific. Otherwise, restless feet may walk into a snake pit.
Okay.
Please, we should always keep an eye on our priorities. Otherwise, restless feet may walk into a snake pit.
Absolutely.
So,
Sir, we should not.
Sir, please, should.
Sir.
Please, sir.
Just a minute. मेरे को खोजना पड़ रहा है. Yes, Rishita.
Yeah. We should not postpone our important work as like exercise and all, as restless feet may walk into a snake pit.
But इसको ना जब भी, you know, whenever we speak these kind of proverbs, थोड़ा सा feeling भी आना चाहिए.
Please, sir, please shoot your focus in goal. So restless feet may walk into a snake pit.
You know what happens sometimes? Two sentences. Normally what we are doing two sentences. Sometimes these two sentences are not really sufficient to define these proverbs. You know, when you add some more sentences, it will add some value to the sentence. इसीलिए थोड़ा सा लग रहा है कि कुछ missing हो रहा है, because we need to decorate it with some more sentences. Okay guys, yeah, Abhishek, you want to add something? Yes, Abhishek? Your voice is not coming.